Boy, have we been going through some crazy times. I mean, I know that for weeks we've all been locked down in our homes. We've all been trying to stay safe, and I hope you all are continuing to stay safe. What happened in the real estate market after the last several months is that showings plummeted. We both had the problem of people who did not want others in their homes, understandably, and people who just weren't ready to go out and be with people. So the showings went down as much as 75%. However, we're back. Today is June the 8th, 2020, and we are back with a vengeance. Everybody is out looking for properties, but what is the big problem? There's nothing to buy. Year over year, the inventory is down 10%. We are going into multiple offer situations. I'm actually showing a house today that I know if these people don't buy it, somebody else will buy it today. So if you've been sitting on the fence about selling your property, I really think now is the time to give us a call and at least let's have a conversation and do evaluation of your property to determine if you want to do it now or sometime before the end of this year. Also, buyers, I know I've scared you by saying that there's just nothing to buy. Well, you have to be ready to pull the trigger when you see a property that you like. So don't let that hold you back. In addition, interest rates remain at a historic low. The four main predictors, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the Mortgage Bankers Association, and the National Association of Realtors are all predicting that interest rates will remain at 3.4% or even less through the end of this year. So get a pre-approval and let's go out and take a look at what you might want to buy. It really is a good time for both sellers and buyers to be looking to invest in real estate.